The dance of perspective. How point of view shapes our stories. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the intriguing world of creative writing. Have you ever wondered how the narrator's perspective can shape and shift the entire plot of a story? That's precisely what we're going to explore. By the end of this video, you'll understand the impact of point of view on plot development. So, let's get started. Point of view, often abbreviated as POV, is the lens or perspective through which a story is told. There are several common types. First person, the story is told from the I perspective. Second person, the narrative uses you to directly address the reader. Third person limited, the story follows one character's perspective, described in third person. Third person omniscient, the narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of all characters. Each of these POVs offers a unique vantage point. But how does this affect our plot? The chosen point of view can significantly influence how a story unfolds. Here's why. 1. Access to information. In first person, we only know what the narrator knows. In third person omniscient, we can know everything. The availability of information can drive the plot in various directions. 2. Reliability. A first-person narrator might be unreliable, leading to plot twists. With third-person omniscient, the narrative is generally more objective. 3. Character depth. The depth at which we understand characters can determine plot decisions. A third-person limited perspective might allow for more intimate knowledge of a protagonist's thoughts, which can shape the plot's trajectory. To better understand, let's look at hypothetical scenarios. 1. First person. Imagine a mystery novel where the narrator is the detective. We experience all the clues and misdirection firsthand, making the reveal more personal. 2. Second person. You're thrown into a survival scenario. Every choice you make directly impacts the unfolding story. 3. Third person limited. We follow a young queen navigating court politics. Through her eyes, small slights become major plot points as we understand the weight they carry for her. 4. Third person omniscient. In a sprawling epic, we see the movements and motivations of an entire cast of characters, creating a complex, intertwined plot. The point of view isn't just a stylistic choice. It's a foundational decision that can shape the very bones of your story. As you explore creative writing, consider how your chosen POV will guide your plot's development. We hope this video shed light on the dance between perspective and narrative. Keep writing, and always let your unique voice shine through.